Now let me introduce to you the concept of disjoint. So disjoint is also called as non-intersecting or is what you call set with no common elements. So for example, given the set A and B, so let's suppose that these sets are disjoint. Now if we perform the intersection operation in these two sets, what do you think will be the result? Since again, recall that A and B are disjoint, and disjoint means that there is no common elements from these sets. So if we intersect sets that has no common elements, the result should be an empty set. So since these two sets doesn't have any elements in common. Okay, so basically the intersection of this joint set is always an empty set. Now what if we union this joint set? So if we combine sets that has no common elements, what should be the result? So well, the resulting set in the union should contain both the elements of set A and set B. And this is the result is what you call the disjoint union or is denoted usually as the letter S. So that is the disjoint union. So this disjoint union is the solution of sets that you unioned, and these sets are disjoint, meaning these sets don't have any elements in common. Okay, so now let's check what you've learned so far from union and intersection. So suppose we have these following sets. Set A that contains 1, 2, 3, and 4. Set B that contains 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And set C that contains 2, 3, 8, and 9. So your task here is to solve or find the following sets. So you need to find A union B, A intersection B, A union C, and B intersection C. You may pause the video to answer on your own. Okay, so now I am assuming that you already have an answer to the problem, and these are the solutions. If my solution is the same as yours, then congratulations, you have understood what union and intersection really does. If not, then practice makes perfect. Okay? So if you are wondering why this is the solution, so to easily visualize why this was the answer to the questions, let's use the Venn diagram. So here is the Venn diagram of the three sets, set A, B, and C. As you can see on the overlap of these sets, we put the common elements. Since B and C don't have any common elements, this part here is empty. Okay? Now 3 is the common element from A, B, and C. Okay? Now, the first question is the union of A and B. So, if we say the union of A and B, these are all the sets. Hmm? So, 1, 2, 4, 3, 7, 5, and 6. These are all the elements that A union B should contain, since these elements are present in both A and B. Next question is A intersection C. So as you can see, only the elements common in A and in B are what we need. So that is 4 and 3. Now the third question is A union C. So if we union A and C, this is the only elements that we need. So since B is not part of the picture here, we do not include the elements of B. So only those elements found in A and C is in our solution. Now, B intersection C. So that means the common elements from B and C. Now we have one common element, which is 3, which is also common in A. Okay? But since B and C has 3, so we include that to our answer. But however, in this part here, there is no common element exclusive only for B and C. So that's why this one is empty. So our answer is only 3.